Today, I'm going to show you how to change a mixed number to an improper fraction and vice versa. So, what is a mixed number? A mixed number is a whole number and a fraction. That's why it's called a mixed number. So, if I want to change this 2 and 3/4 to an improper fraction. Improper fraction is when the numerator is larger than the denominator. If I want to change this into improper fraction, the first thing I need to do is I need to multiply the denominator by the whole number. So 4 times 2 is 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. And we keep the same denominator. And that's it. And now, if I want to change this to a mixed number, I divide. 4 divided by 11, rather, 11 divided by 4 is 2, because 4 times 2 is 8. And then there's 3 left over, because 11 minus 8 is 3, and we keep the same denominator. That's how you turn a mixed number into an improper fraction and back to a mixed number. Let's change 12 and 1/5 to an improper fraction. So 5 times 12 is 60. 60 plus 1 is 61. And we keep the same denominator. Now, if we want to change this back to improper, we divide 61 divided by 5 is 12, because 12 times 5 is equal to 60. There's 1 left over, because 61 minus 60 is 1, and we keep the same denominator, 12 and 1/5. Let's do 13 and 3/7. So 7 times 13 is, let's see, I don't know that off the top of my head. 13 times 7, 21. Carry the 2 is 91. And then, oops, 91 plus 3 is 94. So it's going to be 94. We keep the same denominator over 7. So now I want to change this back to a mixed number. So 94 divided by 7 is 13, because 13 times 7 is 91. There are 3 left over, because 94 minus 91 is 3. And we keep the same denominator. Let's do some more. Let's say we have 9 over 3. All right, so we divide 9 divided by 3, and we just get 3. Sometimes when you divide fractions, if it's the number you're dividing is a multiple of the denominator, so 9 is a multiple of 3, you're going to get a whole number like that. Same thing would go for, let's say you have 35 over 7. 35 divided by 7 is 5. Okay, let's do 2 more that are similar to the ones we started off with. So let's say we have 13 over 2. So 13 divided by 2 is 6 because 2 times 6 is 12. Then there's 1 left over because 13 minus 12 is equal to 1. And we keep the same denominator. So our answer is 6 and 1/2. And the last one, let's do 40 over 9. So 40 divided by 9 is 4 because 9 times 4 is equal to 36. There's 4 left over because 40 minus 36 equals 4. And we keep the same denominator. So your answer is 4 and 4/9. And that's our lesson for today. Good luck.